Hi friends, I'm Ayman. Today's topic is attraction. They are the 29 steps for the steps of an attraction. Scientific studies have shown that one of the most attractive features to women is symmetry, especially in facial features. Most celebrities that are widely considered extremely attractive have nearly perfectly symmetrical faces. Charles Darwin stated that there is a universal drive to become as beautiful and attractive as possible. He said that animals will strive to be attractive even when they experiencing wonderfully great suffering. Studies show that many high paying and high level positions are held by attractive peoples. Hiring managers often have a preference for the most attractive employees when giving promotions to their employees. Research shows that the more attractive politician often receives a greater amount of media coverage than their less attractive counterpart does. Well, research shows that the media greatly influence a person's self-esteem when it comes to their own bodies and appearance. When shown people with ideal body types of the same gender, people often report lower satisfactions with their own self-imagination. Studies shows that people are more likely to be attracted to people resembling their parents, especially when it comes to age. The older their parents were at time of their birth, the more likely they find older faces to be attractive. Limbal rings are the dark outlines around a person's iris are a feature that often goes unnoticed but are subconsciously perceived to be attractive. Limbal rings fade with age, therefore, the darker the rings, the more youthful the person finds association.